How to change the keyboard language on an LG phone. Changing the keyboard language on your LG phone is quick and easy. Here's how. Open Settings, then tap on System. Tap on Language and Keyboard. Tap on Manage Keyboards. Tap on LG Keyboard. Tap on Language and Keyboard Layout, and tap on Select Languages at the bottom. Turn on the toggle for the desired language or languages and keyboard layout. The standard keyboard layout is QWERTY. Once selected, you can tap and hold on the three-line icon to the right of a language and drag it to the desired priority. Thank you for choosing LG. We hope you enjoy your phone. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.